Audi Activesphere. Audi, the German company, has an intriguing surprise for us in the form of their vision of premium future mobility. The concept vehicle, called the Activesphere, is specifically designed for outdoor activities and off-road adventures. It has the ability to transform into a pickup truck and has adjustable ground clearance, ranging from 208 to 248 millimeters. The roof provides space for bicycles and a ski rack. The car is equipped with 2 electric motors that can generate a combined output of 442 horsepower and has a range of 600 kilometers on a single charge. The interior of the car has been upgraded with augmented reality (AR) glasses that replace conventional screens. These glasses provide the driver and passengers with access to the car's settings and information. By looking at any element of the car, such as the speakers, they can see and adjust the volume settings. Although the Activesphere concept vehicle will not be produced, some of its features will be incorporated into future Audi models. Mukaab. The Mukaab cubic skyscraper is being presented as a gateway to another world and is set to become the new face of Riyadh, the capital city of Saudi Arabia, by 2030. The project is incredibly ambitious, with an area that exceeds 2 million square meters and each side measuring 400 m. To put this into perspective, the cube is large enough to fit 20 Empire State Buildings within its walls. The skyscraper is essentially a city within a city, boasting malls, hotels, theaters, offices, museums, and even an opera house. Visitors and residents will have endless entertainment options, with the main feature being a spiral tower located inside the cube. While it's undoubtedly impressive, it comes with a hefty price tag. Conservative estimates suggest that the cube skyscraper and its surrounding area will cost $48 billion. Overture. For aviation enthusiasts, the American team at Boom Supersonic is likely a familiar name. They are renowned for their work on supersonic planes designed for commercial aviation, and their progress has been so impressive that even the military has taken notice. Introducing the Overture, a plane capable of flying from Miami to London in under 5 hours. This is a stark contrast to the direct American Airlines flight that takes 8 hours and 40 minutes to cover the same distance. The Overture is capable of reaching speeds exceeding 2,000 kilometers per hour, accommodating 65 to 85 passengers and offering a range of 7,800 kilometers. The American team aims to begin production in 2025 and launch scheduled flights by 2029. SeaPods. If desert living isn't your thing, consider the ocean. These pods have already entered production, and about 100 units are expected to be completed by the end of this year. The price varies depending on the pod size and contents, ranging from $295,000 to $1.5 million. For instance, the 73 square meter version includes 3 levels featuring a bedroom, living room, kitchen, bathroom, and storeroom. For those in need of extra space, a special barbecue party module is available that increases the area by approximately 20%. The owner can control different pod components with a wave of their hand using a special smart ring. The pods stand 2.2 m above the water, so small loads will be delivered via drones, while larger ones will be transported by autonomous vessels. eleMMent Palazzo Superior. At present, a house on wheels that exudes extravagance is already available. With a price tag of approximately $3 million, this model is considered the most luxurious in the world in over 190 countries. It boasts an engine with up to 600 horsepower, measures 13.7 m in length, and comes equipped with a kitchen, a shower, a living room, and all necessary appliances. Inside, one might feel as if they're in a luxurious hotel room, and the exterior is equally impressive. The designers drew inspiration from the worlds of aviation, yachting, and motorsports, resulting in a one-of-a-kind vehicle. Nissan Max Out EV. A couple of years ago, Nissan said that they planned to spend about $18 billion on designing new electric cars, and they managed to surprise the public by showing a virtual model of a convertible. However, surprises don't end there because the convertible has already moved into the real world in the form of a full-size concept. Little is known about its characteristics, yet an 80s aesthetic is combined with an electric motor and the E-4-Orse all-wheel drive system created especially for electric cars. The Nissan Leaf, equipped with this system, produced about 304 horsepower during tests, which means the convertible will reach a similar figure, as Nissan stated, by 2030. The company will create 15 all-electric cars. Do you think this convertible will be among them?